All right, we finally made it over to the Magic Kingdom after about 40 minutes on the, over 40 minutes from the transportation and ticket over here today. Craziness.
Come back and film that one.
Yes.
5,000 people.
We're here to see the Christmas decorations. I can't believe we're saying we're seeing the Christmas decorations today. I feel like it's too soon, but nope, it's not. And there's the first sight of the tree this year. In all of its Christmas glory. All of the pretty decorations are up. The train station is full of decorations. All the nutcrackers are up. So pretty. Alright, we are heading up into the train station to get a nice view, nice picture of the tree and the view of the castle behind it. Look at that. So pretty. This is probably the best viewing spot for the tree and everything that's happening right up here. And here comes the train right now. Coming into the train station. So festive. Love it. There's the trolley, sitting in the trolley station over there, next to the firehouse. All right, so we decided to hop on the train and head into Fantasyland and kind of walk in from the back of the park today.
Seats accordingly. We will be underway shortly.
You can hear me, friends, know this. The temperature is super cool and the acts are super hot.
All the Christmas decorations are up here in the circus. Those are cute. We're heading into the big top. See if there's any Christmas merch out. Well, here's some cupcakes. These are cute. They have a couple of Halloween ones left. I like the reindeer. That's super cute.
All the cotton candy.
Oh boy.
We'll do all that cotton.
Let's see. Do we see any Christmas merch? I see some sweaters over here. That's cute. We got a Mickey sweater. Kind of like a sweatshirt sweater. I like it. It's nice and soft though. And this one is, don't know how much it is. Let's see. There's a little guy too. Little one. The little one is $45. Oh, and there's a hat with ears. And the larger one, I know, it's really cute. It's nice and soft too. This one is $80. So, and here's some little Mickey mugs. These are actually adorable. They're $25 each, but those are very cute. Alright, so what else do we have here? We have little mini stockings. Those are cute. What's in them? Candy?
Those are gummies.
Yeah.
Gummy
snowman treats. And these are, I don't know how much they are. Does it say? Anyway? I don't know. Doesn't say. Those are cute. And then, oh, they have a countdown chocolate calendar right here. This is no price on this one either. Nothing's got a price on it yet. What are these little tins? Cute little tins. Here's the Crocs. $70 for the Christmas Crocs. This is kind of cute. Look at the little peppermint hat. That's cute. Oh yeah, that's cute too. I like that. I like the hood. How much is that? 70. Yeah.
Nice stitch though.
Yeah. Oh, is this the lug bag? There's the little Mickey Christmas lug bag. These are what? 70 or 80? I can't remember. 65. What's over here? Anything good over here?
I think that's all mini stuff.
Okay. Yeah. Well, they have another. Oh, look at these. These are cute. Little Bluto ears. And then we've got a t-shirt. And the t-shirt is $35. And we've got another t-shirt. Most magical place on earth. That one's cute too. I like the green sweatshirt. Oh, here's some stockings. These are cute. We might need these for our house this year. Those are cute. They're $35 each. Minnie and Mickey. We've got our little wreath ears. Those are cute too. I'm not much on, I used to love ears, but they give me a headache now. I'm not much on wearing the ears anymore. So there's these really big candy canes at the entrance of Storybook Circus. They're very festive. They got some festive candy canes over there. There they are. Those are cool.
Busy.
It is a busy day here at Magic Kingdom today. We are just here to look around.
Yeah, thankfully.
But it is busy. It's been a bit since we've been here on a really busy day like this. We've been coming on like days of the Halloween party, so it's been quiet. I know, right? I'm gonna go this way. Carousel? So we just went into Frontier Mercantile. Today is Pin Tuesday, and this is the day that they have the new releases, and Sean and I both ended up getting a pin. I got the new Christmas release pin, which is so cute, and Sean got the Wookiee pin. Let's see which one he got. There it is right
cool.
Yeah, very
It's
cool.
It's a holiday in Star Wars universe.
That's awesome. They've got the Christmas music playing here in the center. Here's Casey's.
Look at the pineapples in the wreaths.
Oh, they're cute. Casey's Corner. Already in the Christmas spirit, just like that. Alright, so we are here checking out the Christmas merch. And what do they have here? Here's the Christmas lounge fly. I really like this peppermint hat. The peppermint hat is $30. Actually, this is cute too. The peppermint sweatshirt. That one is $65. The ears are $37. Here's more of the stockings. Here are the Christmas cards this year. I still have some of last year's Christmas cards, but those are the different styles this year. And these are $20. Oh, I like the little tree skirt. That is adorable. Look at the castle tree skirt. This is $90. That one is $90. I do not have a tree skirt this year. We've got a little Chippendale dessert tray, which is very cute. We've got some little appetizer plates. These are $40. It's the 4 different colors. Very cute. The little wine glasses. There's some more mugs. I really like these Mickey Santa mugs. And here's another little appetizer platter with Mickey on it. And this one is, I don't know how much this one is. Let's see. Can I see it anywhere? This one's $40. Snow globes, pillows. It's a cute sweater. Little cardigan. $90. And we have some cute sweats. These look super cozy. This says merriest place on earth, and these are $50. I saw they had these out early. I saw them, but I was thinking about getting one, but they're $60, and I feel like they're small for $60. The pumpkins that they had were like twice this size and the same price. So I don't know. I'm not gonna get one of those, I don't think, this year. These are $35. They're the little light ups, and these are small too. So I'm gonna pass on those this year, although I really love blow molds. It's just they're too small for the price, I think. Let's see, anything else that we haven't really seen yet? Here is one of the Spirit jerseys for the year, $80 is the back.
Oh yeah,
That's cute. And we got just Mickey on the front.
you know, I saw.
It's over here. Oh, I love the little Mickey sweatshirt. Actually, no, it's a crew neck. I'm sorry, Donald crew neck. I didn't mean Mickey. This one is $45. There's Mickey on the back. That's cute. Oh, this is cute also. Look at this little fleece zip up. That's cute. And that is, how much is that? $100. It's heavy too, very heavy. There's another spirit jersey for $80. And these are adorable. These remind me of the cast members who do the private tours. These are $80. Love those. I found another stocking, which is cute, $35. This is a little bit, it's of the castle, and it's a little bit more muted. I kind of like that. I like that collection. All right. We're gonna see if we can go get a sweet treat across the way. I like this. Zip up. Oh, I like that. That's really cute. That zip up hoodie is, I don't know what the price is. It's not marked, but I really like it. That's really nice.
No, those are milk. Okay. No, yeah, I want the milk one. Yes. Sorry.
I'm gonna take some home too, so I want to like. Do you think it's good the next day if it's like? Okay. Maybe not with the chocolate drizzle. Or you think with the chocolate drizzle? Okay. Thank you so much. So the Christmas popcorn mix that they made at Magic Kingdom was delicious. We've been snacking on it, and definitely something to try. Every season they do a different kind of holiday version of it. This one has mint M&Ms. I actually asked for regular M&Ms. It's got chocolate and white chocolate and holiday colored popcorn and marshmallows. And what's yummy about it is the chocolate hardens up, so it makes like almost like a bark, like a popcorn ball bark. Let me open it up and show you. But you get like these like chunks where you can just like pull out a chunk and chomp on it. So really yummy. So definitely try it out if you are at Magic Kingdom. All right, hope you guys enjoyed our day at the Magic Kingdom. We will see you again in the next video. Take care.